Welcome to this MansionArizona.com luxury home tour. We're here in North Scottsdale in the community of Troon Village at this truly stunning home. I can't wait to show this thing to you. First off, a big shout out to Jeff Ross with eXp Realty for letting me take a tour of this house and show all of you this beautiful home. There's a ton to talk about. There's a wine cellar, a tasting room, a custom movie theater, and the backyard is absolutely amazing. But first, let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful home. Come on. I mean, we're just at the front door. Look at this stunning view. This is a gorgeous property. This home, built by Saddleback Handcrafted Homes, is 5,593 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 3 half baths, and a 3-car, fully insulated, air-conditioned garage. Coming inside just off the front entrance is the great room. You got this beautiful living room, full kitchen here with brand new Wolf appliances. This home features the timeless natural aesthetic. Everything in this home speaks to nature, which is really indicative of this property because it's literally built into the mountainside. Back in that direction, we've got the garage, and here to the right, we've got the stairs that take you down to the wine cellar, 500 bottle wine cellar, and tasting room. Let's check that out first. We're down here in the Tuscan-inspired tasting room. Just through that door, we have a 500 bottle wine cellar. For any of you wine connoisseurs out there, this is gonna be the perfect place to test, try, store all of your finest wines. Did I mention they had an elevator? This takes you down to the garage that is fully air conditioned. It's a 3-car garage, custom flooring, as well as a motorcycle lift, and it's fully plumbed for all your air tools. So you just hook up an air compressor and there's spots to plug in all your air tools throughout the garage. It even has a half bath attached to the garage. This is truly a mechanic's paradise here. And out this side door here to the garage, or kind of back door to the garage, is the pathway that takes you up to the guest quarters, which is an ensuite bedroom. And here we are in the guest ensuite with its own separate entrance with a little pathway that takes you down to the driveway or the back door of that garage. And outside there's a nice little sitting area with some stellar views of an area called Brown's Ranch, which is great hiking, biking, equestrian trails. Beautiful to check out the natural beauty that is Arizona. Here in the truly master suite, outside these bay windows, you get a great view of 4 peaks and the rest of the mountains that surround this part of North Scottsdale. Now, when I say this is truly a master suite, not only does it have the main bedroom and bathroom that we're used to, we've also got a built-in office, maybe nursery, maybe workout room. Down this hallway into the master bath, you have a his and hers closet on either side, and then enters into this beautiful bathroom with the steam shower, full tub, and access to the backyard, which I know I've been hinting at. It's pretty amazing. All right, I think I've made you wait long enough. We're finally here in the backyard, and this thing is a stunner. I mean, you literally have the pool built into the wall of the mountain with this gigantic waterfall. The listing agent referred to this house as the Matterhorn house. Let's call it the Matterhorn of North Scottsdale. I mean, this pool is truly, truly stunning. I've never seen a backyard or a pool quite like this that uses the natural features, one of these giant boulders that's a part of this mountain, and utilizes it in such a unique way. They literally made it a giant waterfall into this pool. It's like nothing else I've ever seen. This is what makes this home truly spectacular. All right, and downstairs we have the custom theater room. You're gonna love it. Come on down and check it out. I mean, come on. your own custom theater. Look at this thing. Yeah. Everything in this theater room, fully controlled, lights, sound. Thanks for coming along with me on this beautiful luxury home tour. This house is selling for $3.6 million. If you're interested, you want to come take a look at this house, you want a tour of it, private tour, give me a call, reach out. Numbers on the screen below. I'm gonna check out a movie because this thing is amazing. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.